Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray. Put it one side. Okay, this one is clip. You just start to open the clip. Just put the pencil like this, open it right now. Okay. Okay, you remove the back cover. Okay, there's so many screws you need to take out here. Okay, you remove this plastic first. And put it anywhere. Take out all the screws, so many screws. Okay, after you take out all the screws, remove this cover on top. Be careful, don't push the pencil that much inside so you don't spoil any components. Okay, you disconnect this connector first. Disconnect the battery. Okay, now you just need to remove this plastic. Just put it like this. Remove the one like this, and remove this other one also. Like this, okay? And you hold this one in the middle and pull it. Just hold this one like this. Try to pull it like this. Okay, take out the battery. Okay, then you have to use a double tape because sometimes this glue is not that strong again. You have to get double tape like this. Okay, you put one here. Put another one here. Okay. Then you remove the plastic. So you remove the paper. Remove this other one. Okay. Then you fix the battery. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first, so you don't lose the position of the battery. Okay, make sure the plastic is up. Then you put the battery inside like this. You close this one. Okay, then you disconnect the battery again. Okay, fix this terminal, this connector first, LCD connector. Then you fix the battery. Okay, then you put back this cover. Then make sure you replace all the screws back. Take out so many screws. Make sure you replace all the screws. Okay, make sure you place all the screws back on the phone. Okay, after you place all the screws, okay, you put this plastic back. Okay, then you put the cover. Just start from the top. Close the top first, then close it down. Okay, don't forget to put back the SIM tray. Okay, then on the phone and see if the battery is on. Okay, the phone is on, but don't use the battery voltage inside. You have to put some charge and charge it full before you use the phone. Okay, now the phone is on. It's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.